Hello, this is Kenosis. On the second floor of the warehouse where miscellaneous items are stored, I brought LED lights that were broken and unusable. DIY materials are so diverse that I don't often throw away items that I think will be useful. I disassembled it and it shows an aluminum chassis, an electric wire, and a plastic molding for use in this work. I kept the wires and aluminum chassis for later. It is a 24-volt LED strip. You can control the light in various forms of remote control. When I put it in the plastic molding, I can see a subtle light. The stairs from my workshop to my office on the second floor. Install the LED here. 6mm thick birch plywood was cut 100mm wide and dug out enough to fit a molding. The molding fits snugly. The wooden board was cut to match the slope of the stairs. The plastic molding is also cut and angled with a knife. The wooden board was fixed to the wall. There is a bent part, so I adjusted the angle well. It is a voltage converter and motion sensor for 24 volts. The motion sensor is a product that can control the sensitivity and output time of the sensor. I made two sets to use on the top and bottom. Just connect the LED to the output side of the voltage converter. The motion sensor is wrapped in foil. I wanted to try not to be cold in the back, but I think there's no big effect. Pull back the wires of the LED and attach the LED to the wooden board. The bent part has been soldered. Strip-shaped LEDs are very uncomfortable when they bend. I used instantaneous adhesives and hardeners to attach plastic molding. I drilled through the hole, installed the sensor and connected the LED to the voltage converter and covered the cover. Finally, it could be strongly fixed to plastic molding so that it can be strongly fixed. The stairs are safe when it's bright. It's very beautiful that the LED moves according to the movement. It's more beautiful because it's indirect light from the side. I think the LED I used this time is very useful. I hope you use it too. If you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe and like it. Thank you.